special marine warning for the following inner waters from Point Mugu to San Mateo Point, California, including Santa Catalina and Santa Barbara Islands. The National Weather Service in Oxnard has issued a special marine warning for inner waters from San Pedro to San Mateo Point, California, including Santa Catalina Island, until noon Pacific Standard Time. At 11:18 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, a line of showers and strong winds extended from Newport Beach to Catalina Island. This line was moving to the east at 15 knots. Wind gusts between 30 and 40 knots have already been observed around and behind this line. Hazard, water spouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, water spouts can create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The shower will remain over mainly open waters. Listening to NOAA weather radio station KWO30.